Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikko's Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. Like on the Forex, I also don't trade on indices during the summertime, so that's why I have this break of 1 month. But we are at the beginning of the September after NFP, so it's good time to start to watch the charts again and make trading decisions. So if you haven't seen my Forex forecast yet, just go and watch it to understand what we can get there. Here, I will just focus on indices like always. So first is DAX, and as we can see on the weekly chart, price currently seems to be in the range. As you can see, we had the retest of this resistance. Now price is pointing down, and if we pay attention, another level of the support, which is very strong, it seems to be, it's here because we have this huge spike and this strong reaction. Currently, because we are in the range, of course, we should have only day trading opportunities. We also have this weekly trend line. I would draw it like that. So those are like long-term targets in case if price decide to make bigger moves. So if I go to daily chart, we see this. We have this. You see this move now. Price stopped here, and we have this big reaction. So, like I said, those are our long-term targets. Let's see what else we might have in between. We have on the daily chart this zone, and basically not much here, maybe something. So if we cannot find anything on the daily, then of course we can also, based on the 4-hour chart, currently what we have is this very strong down move momentum to sell. So basically what we want to do, even on the 4-hour chart, but not in the classic approach, because it's a range. We had this up move, strong up move without any 1 to 3s in between, but even this is possible to look for short scenarios if we have the 4-hour chart 1 to 3. So if we get this short scenarios, target this zone, and of course this. So this is opportunity. I thought that we won't get anything, but I was wrong. Yeah, so we can also trade this on the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. We want to see retracements, and like I said, day trading, intraday trading, scalping opportunity, short scenarios are of course welcome after some retracements on DAX. NASDAQ weekly chart, also you see this red candle, which seems that decide to go down. What else we have? We have lower high on the weekly chart. So this is another confirmation that maybe price make this deeper retracement here, especially that after very long period of time we didn't get. So maybe this will be the time. If we look for the trend line, we have this. We also have this area of support here, and here we see this whole zone. We can even mark that. And this is the whole zone of support, lower high. This might give us, like you said, chance of bigger retracement, but currently of course we have to pay attention for those levels. Price is pointing down now, so what we would like to do is to wait for the retracement and then short scenarios on NASDAQ. Lower time frames or 4-hour chart directly, because there is space, there is room. On the 1-hour chart, exactly on DAX, like on DAX, you can wait for the retracement, day trading, scalping opportunities, short scenario here, target of course levels which I mentioned before. US 30 also was going up, and the same situation is reacting, no bigger retracement for a long time. So maybe this will be the reason why we have those retracements. This is our weekly trend line. We have also area of support on the weekly chart. You see again, we have very strong for me is this one on those previous tops, but we also have this spike. 36 will be also our support zone, so it's not so obvious and clear on the weekly. On the daily chart, what else we have? You see we have this top. Now there is reaction, price starts to be below the 36 EMA. A little bit noisy chart here for me, because I cannot even draw a trend line. You see the trend line was here, we have false breakouts, then price went up, now it's going down, new line. It's not a good line anyway. So of course, whatever I draw on the higher time frames, it's like from the swing trading perspective, not exactly for the day traders and scalpers. But as you can see here, we have like a major areas of interest of the daily chart, so 4-hour time frame. Also here we can do exactly the same. Yes, we can just wait for what retracement, 4-hour chart, short scenarios, target this. In case if price breaks levels, you have the another zones, and also here retracements, lower time frame entries as a day trading, scalping. Nikkei, also here on the weekly chart, we had this double top. Yes, then price make this huge move, then retrace, and now it again is pointing down. So quite interesting situation here, especially that on the monthly chart you see the price just spiked here. It still seems to like to go down. So basically on the weekly chart we also have what lower high currently is in making. So it's right now seems to be pressure for sells. So if you go to daily chart, also here we had this daily short 1 2 3, like something like that. Now it's pointing down, so we are interesting to sell this also. Now let's try to find areas of support zone. Let me just take that line, and you pay attention. Here is the next area of the support. Of course, this lowest point also, but in between we can spot other areas too. So what we want to do, retracement sells on the 4-hour chart, retracement 1-hour chart also sells here. Okay, so selling opportunities, and AUS200. So you can see that all of them are more or less the same. I don't know if you remember, we said about this range. This range was broken. Now it starts to maybe retrace. So the question if the retracement is smaller or even bigger, we will see. If you go to weekly time frame, very noisy chart. I personally don't like this daily chart. Also a little bit funny. And of course we have this resistance. We have this support zone here. Yeah, so price is below the 36. So you can also sell here. Yes. Basically, the funny part on this is that higher time frames looks very funny, but 4-hour chart, as you can see, like it's like a textbook setup. And also here you have 1 2 3, so it looks very very nice. So you can still catch this if possible and target those levels. So maybe this time lower time frames are better than higher time frames. In between there is also another area of support here. So 4-hour chart short 1 to 3, of course, and 1-hour chart as a day trading also, if you like. So more or less always the same. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Wish you all great week and hear you soon. Bye.